So yeah, let's do an update. We haven't talked in a while. I just wanna talk a bit. I was still trading in this past period, but I wasn't recording it because I was kind of on the run. And yeah, I'm still break even, but I learned to be fine with that. I'm really fine with that. I'm not trying to push anything. I'm just trying to do what I think is best, takes the best trades I can, and that's about it. We're still kind of break even. We're currently 3.4%, 3.14%. We're still obviously chopping around a bit, but that's okay. I'm learning a lot again. I'm learning a lot. So yeah, I've been still trading now. Currently in this UK short. My new new approach is I'm just putting an alert on the higher time frames, on higher time frame PDRA. In this case, it was here on this 1 hour gap we had right here. I just put an alert here before the session. I waited for price to come here. As soon as price came here, I went down on the lower time frames. I waited for an entry pattern, which was the invalidation of this 3-minute gap. And here I entered of this 5-minute gap. So essentially my trading is really simple now. I'm just putting an alert, choosing a higher time frame zone, putting an alert there, waiting for price to come to that area. Then there I'm gonna look for some lower time frame entry patterns to confirm that the zone is gonna hold, and then I'm gonna enter and just keep it real simple at its core. And that's what's been working currently with me. And yeah, this is looking like a really nice trade. So we'll see. And this worked. Also, I'm going to show you the trade I took yesterday on Euro. It was a pretty nice trade actually. I don't have the order right here. I took my entry of this inverse and targeted 3RR. I mean, I had a wider stop loss. I had like this, and I had something like this because I market executed. It was such a simple trade. Okay, we were on the 1 hour, and I just saw this big 1 hour gap and saw this internal break, having also a lot of sell side in this area. So I just placed an alert on this level here, waited for price to come there, and there in that area we just got we inversed. I was waiting for my entry pattern after my area got reached, and here we inversed an FVG, and I took my entry of that inverse FVG and looked to target this buy sell liquidity, and that's it. It's pretty fucking simple. That's what I realized today, that actually trading, profitable trading, is really simple at its core. It's nothing really complicated. This actually ended up playing out. It's fine. Profitable trading is really simple at its core if you think about it, because now it's just kind of clicked for me. You just, all you have to do is choose a higher time frame PDRA based on from your experience and your intuition. What do you think a good PDRA is? In this case, we chose this 4 hour gap, this 1 hour also gap, and then use some of your lower time frame entry models, again built from experience, and let your intuition and your subconscious validate this trade for me. Okay, price reaching my area that I chose. Okay, then is this is this a good entry pattern? What are we gonna look for in this scenario for a good entry pattern for me to confirm my entry, and so I can take a short here? So I hit this low, which got broken first of all, and second criteria for me was for price to close below this bullish cap. We did close below that, and after that I just took my entry. It's pretty fucking simple at a score, and that's it's crazy that actually profitable trading is this simple. I always thought it to be you need to have strict rules, you need to have 1,000 rules for 1,000 setups. No, bro. Actual profitable trading is not even done so much with rules. The only rules I use are a good stop loss, a good TP, good risk management, which again are not rules, they just come from my subconscious because I learned through periods of time that this is the best way to enter a trade, so I don't even think about it. I automatically place a good stop loss, a good trade, a good risk management. So essentially, you don't even have rules. Your only rule is for price to reach your area that you've chose before market open. I chose this area before the session. Okay, I put an alert here, then I wait. If price reaches this area, I'm gonna have a potential trade. If price doesn't come there, I'm not gonna think about trading. It's that fucking simple, to be honest. And I'm kind of crazy. I haven't realized this, but it's that fucking simple. It's nothing really complicated. Just frame a trade of your higher time frames. Choose an area. Choose a bias. For me, I chose sellers, obviously, and I chose a bearish POI. Place an alert there and wait for price to reach your area. When price reaches your area, look for a lower time frame entry model and entry confirmation that this zone will hold. In this case, see how heavily we rejected of the zone. That's a strong confluence for me that this zone is gonna hold and my trade idea is valid. Then just enter your trade, go for 1 to 2 RR, 3 RR maybe based on liquidity. In this case, we had this liquidity, so that's what we're targeting. In this euro case, again, we had liquidity, so that's what we're targeting. We had a lot of buy sell liquidity here. That's what we're targeting. It's that fucking simple. Profitable trading is actually simple, and one core key thing is not care, bro. Not care about what happens. Okay, you take a loss, that's fine. Improve, come back the next day. It's okay, bro. You should not care about the balance of the account whatsoever. You just should care about entering the trade. If it's a win, nice, okay, that's good. If it's a loss, whatever, bro. Don't care so much about trading. That's what I learned. Don't care so much. Trading shouldn't be treated that seriously. Trading should be treated more like a game, bro. Essentially like a game. Just do it because you love it and do it because you want to get better. When you play a game, you always want to get better, right? So do that with trading is the same fucking thing. Just try to get better and better, and results will follow. That's that simple. Just hold your trade. Okay, here I'm not gonna close. I'm not gonna do anything. Why? Because I trust my trade. Price reached my area. Price did exactly what I planned. Then I'm gonna let the trade run. There's no in between. There's no in between. Maybe at the worst case scenario, I'm gonna close around this low, which price rejects and gives me some strong signs, and TP doesn't get reached. But other than that, bro, no. It's actually quite fucking simple, and I just wanted to do an update. And I'm gonna let you know that I'm actually waiting on a new microphone, and I'm gonna really start going a bit heavier with YouTube, since I'll have way better quality, at least audio, and my videos will become better quality. So I'm kind of investing a bit in my equipment so I can make better quality content. And yeah, I plan on doing this in the future. I plan on making educational content about trading, and also yeah, in general, live trading. I'm gonna do this, and I'm gonna take you along the journey. Let's see if we manage to finally escape this break-even period, which I really think we will. I really think we will, because I'm in a really good mental state right now. So I'm being positive and being confident. I'm just letting my subconscious do the work, if that makes sense. And I'm going with the flow of life. I'm not trying to force anything. I'm not trying to force my desired reality right now. I'm just embracing the present and what's happening right here, and what's the best thing I can actually do. So just as a little update, I hope you guys are still here. And yeah, I'm gonna post a lot more content, and a lot way better content soon. So make sure you stick around for that, because our quality is gonna go up a bit. So yeah, that's about it.